32 inches po siya, Smart TV. Ito po yung mga ports niya sa likod. Surfer's TV. Surfer's TV. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Surfer's TV. Sana all. For today's video, we are going to have an unboxing of Astron's LED Smart TV. But before we do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated to my latest videos.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Let's do the unboxing. So before that, our endorser is my twin brother, Coco Martin. Yeah, he is the endorser of this Astron brand TV. And they also have audio, video, and kitchen and home appliances. So shout out sa Astron, Beke naman. Okay, let's start the unboxing. So I'm going to use my cutter. Cut na. So I have the receipt. By the way, this receipt is very important, so we have to keep it because whenever we have defects or we have 2 years warranty for this, so we can show this receipt for any repairs or returns. Yeah. They have service center. The nearest service center is in Valencia City, Bukidnon. Okay. As you see, we now have our LED 3277 Smart TV by Astron. So, according to their tagline, quality appliances now made affordable. So, let's find out the performance in the coming weeks and months if this will last for a very, very long time. Okay, so here we have some features. According to Astron, this television is now full HD 1080. It has Wi-Fi. It has screen mirroring for Android. This is a LED TV, but now a smart TV built in with apps such as Facebook, Netflix, and YouTube. You can also have streaming links to ABS-CBN sites, Kapamilya Online, I Want PFC, TV Patrol, and Teleradio. Also have a built-in digital TV ISBD-T receiver from GMA News TV, Heart of Asia, TV5, One Sports, plus 40 plus free channels on Digital Broadcast Network. So this television is really good because this is ready for many applications and TV streaming applications. So model po natin is Coco Martin. It's very popular, the Provinciano. And so now while we are doing the unboxing, this TV is 32 inch. So bagay na bagay po siya sa mga pang room na TV. Magamit natin siya. So it has Android operating system, full HD, 32 inches po siya. It has built-in apps again with Netflix, Facebook, and YouTube. And it has 490 plus links to channels. Okay. Live news, free movies, music, kids, karaoke, fitness, sports, gaming, beauty, food, and more. And it has 2 years warranty. So if you are going to choose appliances, you must make sure that there is a service center nearby. So to me, it's just 30 kilometers away from me, from Balay City to Valencia City. So ang service center po niya is in Valencia City. So whenever may problema, pwede natin itakbo sa service center. Now do the unboxing. Let's open the box. So inside the box, we have the remote control, we have the stand, 2 stands, and of course, meron din siyang screw, and we have the Android operating system manual, or the warranty card is also here, user's manual. So, you know, nandyan si Coco Martin smiling at you. Okay. Manual is here. And of course, the warranty card. So this is very important. We have to keep this together with the receipt. Yeah, the manual and the receipt. So we have to read some of the things that we have to know in the user's manual. So very important. If you are buying a thing, you must read the manual first before using it. Okay. So, this is our TV. 32 inches po siya. Smart TV. Walang mga ports niya sa likod. So, marami po siyang mga ports na pwedeng pagkabitan. Okay. And sealed na sealed pa po siya. Naka-cellophane. Okay. So, Astron Smart TV 32 inches. Sana magtagal. Okay, and that ends our unboxing video for today with our Astron LED 3277 Smart TV. Sana nagustuhan nyo po. At if you have some comments or some reviews about this product, don't forget to comment down below. If you have some questions, I will answer you in the next video, or I will discuss to you your questions. Okay, so that ends our video for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated to all the videos I am posting here in my channel, Surferns TV. Okay, that's all for today. Bye! Surferns TV. Surferns TV.